Hello everyone, I'm Matthew Simmons from SimmonsEssentials. Going to bring you another original design. This is the Aslan knot, straight from the Chronicles of Narnia series. Let's go ahead and get started. This is going to be my left side. It's at the belt line as usual. We're going to come over. We're going to just put any fold in it that you want. We're going to come across like this, up and over, down and around like this. And then I'm going to open this up and we're going to do kind of a cape knot here. Create a mane here. Here we go. So we're going to do this. Kind of have that there. And we'll do that again. That's just a starter. We're going to come across like this, do a wreath. We're going to come around like this. And then we're going to do another wreath. Come up like this. Do a wreath over here. Come down, and then I'm going to find this loop back here that's connected to this, and I'm just going to tuck whatever is remaining through like that. Make sure this part is facing out. There we have it. I did kind of lose that cape knot look, but I actually like this better. So here we go. So this is the Aslan knot. So again, on your side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. Follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials to see all of the knots. So again, peace and God bless. We'll see you in the next video.